Next objective for the RHCSA System Administration certification is list, set, and change standard Yugo RWX permissions. This can get quite a little bit complicated, but I'll try and keep it as simple as possible. So let's start with being able to viewing permission sets. So to view the permission set of any file directory, we would use the ls command. And with that, we can view the ownership or the current permissions for files or folders. If we wanted to see a list of all this permission, we would do ls and then -l, and then you would get the permissions and the users set to files or folders. Based on that, we can set the read, write, and execute permissions for files or folders. Now, on the left-hand side, we have these flags, and these are the permissions. So we have the read, write, or execute flags. Read being 4, write being 2, and execute being 1. And with that, because they are assigned to numbers, we can also change or update those permissions using chmod. Now, let's say I wanted to change file 1 permissions for the root to have all permissions set, read, write, and execute. I wanted the group, which is this column here, to only be able to read and write. And I wanted other users on the system to only be able to execute. So if our read is 4, write is 2, and execute is 1, that would equal 7 for the root. That's giving them all access and all permissions. The group, we just want read and write, which would 4 for write, 4 for read, 2 for write, which would equal 6. And then the other users on the system would be just execute, which is just 1. And then file 1. And if we list that, there we go. We've got read, write, and execute for the root, read and write for the group, and execute for anyone else from the system. Okay, now let's say we wanted to change the ownership of a file or folder. We would use the chown command. With that, you need the root access or sudo root. So we would do sudo chown, and then let's say I wanted to change this folder and I wanted the owner to not be test user. I wanted Vagrant to be the new user. So I would do chown, Vagrant, and then the folder. And then if we list that, now we can see that Vagrant is now the new owner of folder. Just to mention, L flag is a symbolic link, and the D flag is a directory. That's it for today. New video will be up tomorrow. Thank you.